Hey everyone, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to declutter my linen closet and I'm going to show you everything that I plan to donate to the thrift store in the future. This video is part of a new series that I'm doing on my channel called Declutter and Donate. I'm going to go around my home and tackle all of the closets, drawers, and hidden junky areas, and I'm going to declutter them and show you everything that I plan to donate from those areas. So this is the current state of my linen closet that is shared with Hannah and my guest bedrooms. The last time I organized this was over a year ago, so it desperately needed to be cleaned and organized. So right now I'm just pulling everything out of the closet and I'm throwing it in a huge pile on the floor. Now that everything has been taken out of the closet, I'm going to go through this mountain of stuff over here and I'm going to decide what I'm going to keep. And then everything that I decide to keep, I'm going to fold it up neatly and place it back in the closet. The first thing that I decided to organize was the 2 bins that I have for extra pillowcases and pillow shams, and then I have another one that's just for hand towels and washcloths. Once I organized both of the bins, I put them back onto the shelf, and I did have some extra space on the side, so I took all of my light colored towels that I was going to keep and I put them on the other side of the bins. Then I went through and organized all of my beach towels and I placed them on the shelf above the one with the bins on the left side. Then I organized all of my keepsake quilts and blankets and I folded them up and put them on the left side. And on the top right side, I have all of my extra comforters and blankets for guests. Then I folded up my queen size air mattress and I put it back into its carrying bag and I put it on the floor under the bottom shelf. I also rolled up Hannah's sleeping bag and I placed it neatly beside the mattress. The next thing that I organized was my shelf for all of my extra sheets. So over here on the right, I have all of my extra king size sheets. And then over here on the left, I have all of my extra queen size sheet sets. And right here in the middle, I just have a random decorative throw pillow. And then right here on the bottom shelf, I have an extra queen size comforter. And then I have 3 extra pillows on the other side. And then under that, I have the air mattress and the sleeping bag. So before I show you what the closet looks like as a whole, here is a reminder of what it looked like before. And here's what the closet looks like now. I'm so glad I finally decided to tackle this space today. It had been so messy for so long and everything had just been stuffed in here, so I was happy to get it clean and straightened out. And it really didn't take me that long to do this project altogether. It only took me about 30 minutes, and it made me feel so much better to finally cross this off of my to-do list. Here is everything that is left over from that mountain of stuff, and I have it organized into 3 different piles, and I'm going to show you what each of those piles are. The first pile that I have here is what I call my put away pile, and these are just things that need to be put away into different areas of my home. The next pile right here is my repurposed pile, and these are all things that I'm going to repurpose. This old towel is going to be cut up and used as cleaning rags, and this sheet set that has the bleach stains all over it will be used as future drop cloths for painting projects around my house. And the last pile that I'm going to show you is my donation pile. So in my donation pile, I have 2 sets of king size sheets that I'm getting rid of. I also have a throw pillow that I don't use anymore. And then I have 4 towels. The first 2 towels are Disney towels that Hannah doesn't use anymore. And then I just have a couple of regular towels. Now I'm just putting all of my donations in a bag, and I'm going to put it off to the side, and when the thrift stores are open again, I'm going to take everything in one big haul and donate it. So that is it for my first declutter and donate video. I hope this video inspired you to declutter something. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.